Students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 11th subject economics and our today's topic is introduction of human capital formation and the sources of human capital. First of all, I will share with you a bit of human capital formation. According to Professor G.M. Mayer, human capital formation is the process of acquiring and increasing the number of persons who have the skills, education and experience which are critical for the economic and political development of a country. Now we have the physical capital. When we talk about the physical capital, refers to machines, plants, and equipments, factory building, raw material, infrastructure, building, construction, etc. Raising of the rate of capital formation of physical capital is essential for economic development. This will result in increasing the stock of machines, tools, etc. and producing and goods on large scale. There are two methods of increasing production. One is capital deepening. This method involves that each one of the existing laborers of the country are equipped with modern machines. They should be imparted technical training and efforts made to enhance their capability. Number two is capital widening. That is, this method implies the more machines and tools be used in order to provide more employment to laborers. For example, industries like steel, chemicals, electronics, etc. requires large amount of capital. Now, dear students, we will discuss about the sources of human capital. Sources of human capital. Number one is education. Number one is education. Investment in education is considered as one of the sources of human capital. Without education, human beings have only brutal manpower. That is, they have only physical labor. Investment in education gives human beings additional skills to do the same job. Thus, investment in education converts human beings into human capital, which enhances the labor productivity. This investment in education will ultimately increase the income of human beings in future, like investment in physical capital. This was education, and now number two is health. Number two is health. Health is another significant source of human capital. The health of a person affects human capital. A sick person without access to medical facilities is compelled to abstain from work, and there is also a loss of productivity. If this person spends on curing the illness, then he will be fit for work. Thus, health expenditure is an important source of human capital formation. The various forms of health expenditures are: number one, preventive medicine such as vaccination. Number two is curative medicine such as interventions during illness. Number three is social medicines such as spread of human literacy. Number four is provision of clean drinking water. Number five is good sanitation. And number three is role of on-the-job training. Role of on-the-job training. On-the-job training is another source of human capital formation. Firms depend on giving on-the-job training to their laborers to the following two forms. Under the supervision of skilled labor, the firm itself trains the laborers. The firm sends the laborers for training to off-campus. Number 4 is labor market information. Labor market information. It is also the source of human capital formation. The labor market for information is necessary to make decisions regarding investments in human capital, as well as for the efficient use of the acquired human capital stock. This source of human capital enables people to know the level of salaries associated with various types of jobs. Number 5 is migration. Number 5 is migration. Expenditure on migration is also a source of human capital formation. In India, due to unemployment, people migrate from rural to urban areas, and for getting better jobs, highly technically qualified persons like doctors and engineers migrate to other countries. Thus, expenditure on migration enhances their earnings in the new places. This was the migration. It was the last source of human capital. Now we will discuss about the role of human capital formation in my next lecture. Till then, be safe. Thank you very much.